Caprice Classic, America's #1 full-size line of cars. For years, Caprice Classic has stood for dependability, roominess, and luxury, all at a Chevrolet price. For 1986, there's the smart personal two-door coupe, popular four-door sedan, versatile station wagon, and all-new Brougham option, the most elegant Caprice Classic of all. Caprice Classic Luxury starts with a refined exterior appearance. There's a new chrome grille and distinctive crest emblem, quad headlamps with stylish new chrome lamp bezels, and in back, redesigned tail lamps set in a new rear panel treatment. Full-size elegance requires full-size power. For 1986, Caprice Classic answers with a 4.3-liter fuel-injected V6 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission, standard on coupe and sedan models, or the 5-liter V8 engine with 4-speed automatic that's also available on coupe and sedan and standard on the station wagon. Caprice Classic, sophisticated elegance outside and spacious elegance inside with 6-passenger seating, a full-width front bench seat with fold-down center armrest, and soft crushed velour upholstery. Caprice Classic's full-size room also applies to its ability to carry luggage. There's 21 cubic feet of cargo space, the largest trunk Chevrolet offers. Full-size room, full-size power, and classic styling. It's all available in a superb full-size car, Caprice Classic. For the ultimate in personal luxury and refinement, step up to the all-new Caprice Classic Brougham. On the outside, Brougham makes an elegant statement with a classic vinyl roof treatment that includes bright brushed metal applique and nameplate. Inside, step into Brougham's exclusive 55-45 split bench seats with soft pillow design. From every point of view, Caprice Classic Brougham says luxury. For an even more personalized statement, Caprice Classic Brougham features a wood grain instrument panel and options like a comfort tilt steering wheel with 6 convenient positions, electronic speed control and intermittent wipers, stylish wire wheel covers, and Delco 2000 series AM/FM stereo sound systems. The extended range system includes graphic equalizer, seek and scan, and audio cassette. Caprice Classic, sedan, coupe, wagon, or Brougham. It's full-size luxury at a Chevrolet price. Experience the #1 choice in full-size luxury with a demonstration drive today.